Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Duolingo and signing in so changes link to your account. Once done, tap your profile and go straight to Settings, then Learning Language or Courses. This is where you manage active languages. Make sure you note current course progress and any streak freeze or club info before switching, because you may need to re-enable features. This step ensures you don't lose track of goals and prepares you for selecting or removing a course. Now choose whether to add a language or remove an existing one. If you add, pick the language and decide to take a placement test or start at Lesson 1. The placement test saves time by skipping known material. If you remove, confirm removal and understand it deletes that course's progress from your profile. Once you make the selection, Duolingo updates your dashboard and shows the new course tile. Make sure to sync so changes reflect across devices. Finish by syncing and refreshing the app so the new language appears on your home screen. Begin a short lesson to confirm everything is working. If progress seems missing after a change, contact Duolingo support immediately and include your username, device, and course affected. This speeds recovery. If the app won't update, log out and back in or reinstall. And make a habit of linking accounts or screenshotting streaks as a precaution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.